craftsmanship. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Red Snow with my boy Cool Exotics and more. And make sure y'all check out his channel. You know what I mean? He out there with the extended clip, you know. Told me that an LFA is supposed to be pulling up.
LFA is coming out here.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
Let me tell y'all right now. Y'all don't want to miss this show. I mean, y'all don't want to miss the show. We got a lot of things coming. LFAs, 63s,
Bugattis, Ultimates,
Venom F5.
Venom F5s, know what I mean? So I hope y'all enjoy that content. Dude right here, Mischief Mayhem right here.
Stop
you know?
playing.
Know what I mean? What's up with you, dude?
We out here. It's another great day.
Another great day,
Yeah.
man.
Toy drive. We're looking to see some epic.
Oh yeah.
Some epic.
What are you most excited
LFA.
for? LFA?
Nice, yeah.
Okay, for
You
sure.
only see that every 2 years.
For sure. Boy, you already know, bro. We got the Aston. Oh, I can't take it. Boy, this is nasty right here, y'all.
This the V12.
This is nasty right here, y'all. MSO, you already know how it is. Something clean right here. Huracan STO, you already know how it is. We got the Jatani exhaust SVJ rolling in. Something crazy. With a Maserati MC20, a Porsche GT3, and an Audi R8. But that Jatani exhaust SVJ is something crazy, dog. Beautiful Diablo SV, y'all. Nice R34 Skyline right here. Boy, that's true JDM at its finest right there. With a Toyota Supra and a Porsche right here. Crazy, y'all. You already know we love the Skyline. Let's hear that, boy. And that's a V-Spec. That's a V-Spec Skyline. Bugatti shit up right here, y'all. This is crazy. Got a real choppy ZR1 right here, y'all. Ooh, that thing is loud. Very loud. Oh yeah. Oh, this thing is mad. Crazy. This McLaren is something nasty. Beautiful SVJ right here coming in, y'all. Boy, look at this Ford GT. This thing is big. Y'all know we love that. Y'all know we love it. Nice Pagani wire, man.
You're gonna go that way.
Really love the red on that one. Boy, look at the carbon fiber on that right there. That's nasty. Boy, that Pagani is.
Come on, man. Come on. little bit, a little bit. Come back a little bit more. All right, you're good right there.
Well, we got LFA, a Ford GT, a McLaren Senna, a Pagani Huayra, and a bro. This is ridiculous. We got the Roadster, bro. Crazy, man.
Are we in California?
Not quite. It's not a Zonda out here. Hey, yo, let's hear that one more time, man. One more time. Yeah, boy. GT2 RS right here. Man, y'all know we love the GT2 RS, y'all. Beautiful SF90. Crazy. Hennessey Venom F5 Roadster right here, y'all. Little Ford GT and a Viper. This is ridiculous. Boy, we got the McLaren Senna right here pulling in. We got the Aventador SVJ on it with a Huracan STO, and they're all blacked out. Look at the carbon fiber. That's just beautiful, right, y'all. Oh yeah, we got a nice Corvette with the wiener dog right there. You know, nice 5.0. We got a cat right here. So that's a red eye right there.
That's a red eye.
Nasty red eye right here, y'all. I mean, we got my boy Hizzy Ing right there. We got my boy.
Hey, motherfucker, don't roll down.
Hey, I mean, what's up with you, dog?
Chilling, man. How's it going?
I'm
About to be on my scooter. All right, bye.
alrighty for sure. You about to hop on the scooter and come out here and get this content, y'all. Y'all already know, man. Y'all already know. So we lit out here, man. Nice Testarossa, beautiful car. Nice 599. Oh yeah. Boy. Oh yeah, she sounds beautiful, man. Let me know what y'all think about that sound. Pretty nice Porsches right here rolling in. Oh yeah, that boy sounds good. Ooh, I love the blue on this right here. That's nice. Here's something beautiful. Oh, that's nasty. That's nasty right there. Y'all know that. Got the ZL1 lane. Then we got the GTR right here. Yeah, we love that. S2000 right here coming in. Nice GT3.
We got guns.
That's beautiful.
Right here.
Boy, them drag radiators are something nasty. Beautiful Lamborghini Huracan spotter right here, man. Y'all know we love it. Got the black tips on the back. You know, this thing is nice. Woo! Nice Hellcat right here. You already know we digging that yellow with the black stripe. Supercharged perf right here. Y'all know we love the perf and Montes, y'all.